So today we're going to be wiring up a TeeTube connector. The first thing we need to do is remove each of the cable glands on either side of the TeeTube connector. So the next step will be to apply these black neoprene seals to each of the cable glands and make sure they're flush on the bottom there. After that, we'll want to remove the terminal block, and you'll see the arrow on the TeeTube connector here is the only way that the terminal block will go in and out of the TeeTube, won't go in the other side. So the next step will be to unscrew each of these little screws here. Insert the first cable gland onto the cable there, followed by the TeeTube. On here there is an L, an N and a blank. The blank is the earth, N is the neutral and L is the live. Take each of these cables and put them into its respective socket. And then the final step is simply putting the terminal back into the TeeTube and then screw on either side of the cable gland. And then ensure that the connection is tight by screwing up the actual cable gland itself. And then our TeeTube is all wired up.